This is the summary created from the video, Lecture 10 Demonstration IV. In the previous lecture, Java programming concepts were covered in detail, and now this lecture focuses on input and output operations in Java programs. The system.out.println, system.out.print, and system.out.printf methods are used for printing output to the screen, with the ability to direct output to files, networks, and databases as well. For taking input from the user, the scanner class and dataInputStream class are employed, with scanner reading input from system. In providing methods like nextInt, nextDouble, and next for reading data, while command line arguments can also be used for providing input to Java programs, with try-catch blocks handling input exceptions gracefully. Input and output operations are crucial for interactive Java programs, with various methods available for printing output and reading input. An input can be taken from the user dynamically or through command line arguments. Printing output to different targets like files and networks is possible, with various methods available for formatted and unformatted output. The scanner class facilitating reading different data types as input. Command line arguments providing another way to input data to programs, and exception handling being necessary for graceful input error management, making input and output operations crucial for building interactive Java applications. Please stay tuned for more summary videos.